My name is your instructor Martin, and today what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and guide you how to register for the BSIS Firearms Psych test, the assessment test. So let's get straight into the tutorial, okay? So you're going to go to the website, PSI Exams Online, and it's candidate.psiexams.com. You're going to go to the right side, New Users. You must create an account. Click Create an Account. Enter your email. Enter your first name. Enter your middle name if you have any, or a generation. Once you do that, create an easy password you're always going to remember. A secret question, place of birth, or whatever you want to put. And remember, must have 8 to 32 characters. Must have an uppercase, lowercase, and has to have a special character. So make sure you add that. And then press submit. Okay. And once you do that, it says welcome to PSI Exams. You could register for a test, schedule a test. You could do a lot of different things here now. Okay. So once we do that, go to the right column, because we want to register for the assessment test, the psychological test. Click on register for a test. Select organization, do the drop-down menu, and it's going to be government, state licensing agencies. Make sure you click that. It's going to come out select jurisdiction. We are in California, so please check California. Select an account. This is very important. You're going to go down where it says CA, Bureau of Security and Investigative Services. There are 2 of them. Make sure you select the one that has Firearms Assessment. Very important. So confirm government, state licensing, California for jurisdiction, and the select account. Make sure you have the California Bureau of Security and Investigative Services Firearms Assessment. Then the license name is going to come out, BSIS Firearms Assessment. Make sure you click on that, and it's going to tell you the exam is for the assessment, and it's going to be by the Department of Consumer Affairs, which is correct. It's going to be about a 90-minute portion computer test, and you're going to click and register. Before you move on, make sure you have your debit or credit card ready, because they're going to charge you it's going to be $60 to take this test, okay? You're going to enter your guard card number, start with the G, and whatever your guard card number is, okay? Now, you must enter your full social security number. Okay? You must enter your date of birth. I'm just doing generic stuff here, but make sure you put your complete information, okay? So this is where a lot of people get confused. They state, if not USA, a lot of people still put California. Don't do that, okay? Okay, guys, so make sure you have all your information in there. It's very important. You have your guard card number. You must have a guard card in order to do the psych test. So make sure you wait for your guard card to get approved, and then you do this registration for your assessment. Confirm everything. And then from here, you're just going to be able to choose the location and the date for your assessment test. So mine won't work because I just put a generic guard card info in there. Once you do that, press continue. It's going to give you the opportunity to continue with the assessment test. Okay. So like I told you, you're going to have to pay for your the psych test, which is $60. Okay. So that's how you do the assessment registration. It's really simple. Please use my tutorial to do it step by step the way I did it. That way, it will be really easy. So just let me give you some information. So who must complete the assessment? A BSIS security guard registrant seeking to associate a BSIS firearms permit to the guard card registration must complete an assessment to demonstrate that they are capable at the time the assessment is completed of demonstrated appropriate judgment, restraint, and self-control for the purpose of carrying and using a firearm when performing security guard duties. And that's called a 16 personality factor test. It's basically a personality test used for the protective services department, police departments, fire departments, and security agencies use this assessment test. Okay, most people call it a psych test. Again, it's going to be a $60 fee, and this is very important. Okay, you're either going to have demonstrate or did not demonstrate. Okay, so in order to submit your firearms application, make sure that they're going to give you a piece of paper that says demonstrate, and make sure you put that in your application. Now, if you did not demonstrate, if you, for some reason, you did not pass according to their standards, you have an 180-day waiting period to complete the assessment again. Okay. So while you wait to do your class for the gun permit, make sure you do your assessment anytime prior to complete it. So again, I want to say thank you for watching my tutorial, and please review it anytime you need this. Okay.